When your furnace stops working, you need a reliable team to restore warmth and comfort to your home. Spears AC and Heating provides professional furnace services designed to keep your heating system running efficiently. Our experienced technicians help diagnose furnace issues and provide dependable solutions for all types of heating systems. From routine maintenance to complete furnace repairs, we are here to help keep your home comfortable. A properly maintained furnace can improve performance, increase efficiency, and help prevent unexpected breakdowns. If your furnace is making unusual noises, blowing cold air, or struggling to heat your home, our team can help. Spears AC and Heating delivers quality furnace services with a focus on customer satisfaction and long-lasting results. We understand how important a reliable heating system is during colder months. Our skilled technicians provide thorough inspections to identify problems and recommend the right service options. Whether you need repairs, maintenance, or expert furnace support, Spears AC and Heating has you covered. We work hard to provide prompt and professional service for homeowners throughout the area. A comfortable home starts with a furnace that operates safely and efficiently. Trust Spears AC and Heating for dependable heating solutions backed by experience and expertise. Contact our team today at 832-420-2665 for professional furnace services you can rely on. Visit www.spearsairconditioning.com, http://www.spearsairconditioning.com to learn more about our heating solutions. Spears AC and Heating is committed to keeping your home warm, comfortable, and energy efficient all year long.